In this guide, I explore 3 excellent waterproof case for Apple Watch Ultra 3 and detail how each elevates the protection and usability of the Apple Watch Ultra 3.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Julk Transparent Waterproof Case. The Julk Transparent Waterproof Case is engineered to retain the original look of the Apple Watch Ultra 3 while providing comprehensive protection. Its clear polycarbonate construction allows the distinct aesthetics of the Ultra 3 to shine through, including its rugged titanium body and prominent display. It adds an extra barrier against scratches, impacts, and saltwater corrosion. This Apple Watch Ultra 3 49mm case is designed with an integrated waterproof seal that delivers reliable protection against moisture and water exposure. Ideal for swimming, showering, or even diving, it keeps your watch dry, clear, and fully functional in any wet environment. Made from durable PC material and paired with a tempered glass screen protector, the case offers comprehensive protection by shielding your watch from scratches, bumps, and impacts. Its sturdy one-piece construction fits securely around the watch, providing a snug hold while preserving effortless access to all buttons, sensors, and functions. With its premium PC build and tempered glass coverage, this all-in-one case combines durability and precision. It delivers outstanding defense against everyday wear and accidental damage, ensuring your Apple Watch Ultra 3 49mm stays protected while maintaining a sleek, secure fit. On number 2, we have Goton Hard Waterproof Case. Designed for serious outdoor adventurers and extreme environments, the Goton Hard Waterproof Case offers a rugged fortress for the Apple Watch Ultra 3. Its rigid frame, constructed from high-grade materials with hardened edges and reinforced corners, provides superior protection against impacts and drops. With an IP67 rating, this Apple Watch case provides dependable resistance against water, sweat, and fog. It's perfectly suited for everyday wear, whether you're washing your hands, showering, or unexpectedly caught in the rain, and there's no need to remove the case to deal with moisture. Built with a dual-layer structure, the case combines a tough back cover with a durable front protector for complete 360 degrees defense. The integrated 9H tempered glass safeguards the screen from scratches while preserving smooth touch responsiveness. Its snap-on design makes installation and removal quick and simple, while precise cutouts ensure seamless access to the crown, buttons, and all watch features. This makes it a practical and protective solution for keeping your Apple Watch safe without compromising ease of use. For users who push the limits in extreme sports, diving, or rugged terrain, this case delivers uncompromising protection. On number 3, we have Tensea Waterproof Cover. The Tensea Waterproof Cover focuses on streamlined protection and usability, blending waterproofing with lightweight and ease of maintenance. Its design features precision-cut openings and fitted components that seal tightly around the screen, buttons, and sensors while allowing ease of installation and removal. The built-in sealing ring keeps water from reaching the screen, eliminating the need to constantly remove the case and wipe away moisture. It offers reliable waterproof protection for everyday activities such as showering, hand-washing, sweating, or getting caught in the rain. The tempered glass surface features an oleophobic coating, preventing water from pooling or leaving marks on the glass. Crafted with 9H hardness tempered glass, the screen is highly resistant to scratches, while the shock-absorbing PC material provides stronger, tougher protection compared to standard TPU. The glass is also designed to resist fogging caused by sudden temperature changes between hot and cold environments, ensuring clear visibility at all times. So these are some of the best cases to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.